All right, we will be installing all of these accessories onto my bikes today. I'll be talking about them. We'll be getting into why I chose these accessories and why I had to change my mind on some things. Let's get started. So I originally stated that I wanted this to be a beater bike, and I've kind of slightly changed my tune on that. So I will be adding accessories to this bike and Neutron, this bike right here. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside of here. Mirrors, so that'll be going on this bike. Then we got an air tag. One will go here and another one will go here. And then I've got two little sticky guys here, tag security. So one will be going there and one will be going there as well. And then I've got a blinker tail light. One will be going here and here. And then last but not least, we've got a new headlight for my 390cc Beast. It'll be going right here, preferably on the handlebars. I'm gonna try to make it work. So here it is, the Suruid. I don't know how to say that. It's a weird name. So, come on. Look at that. It also includes a tail light here. That'll still be useful for something. So, got some rubbers here. Mounting probably for the back tail light. This is for the front here definitely. So is this. Got a charging cable. And then we've got these little clamps here that help you to mount it to slightly smaller diameter pipes on whatever bike you have. There it is. And then we have another charging cable. That's cool. Boom. As for the turn signal, there we go. There's the little button controls. And then the mount, charging cable. What is that? That's just a regular micro USB, it looks like. And then this one is another micro USB. And then another mount there. This looks to be the little rubbers that help basically go around the tube on your bike to help keep it secured in place. And then we've got the light itself. So pardon me, but I'm gonna try it out right now. All right, can I open this with one hand? I think I can. It's just got basically like a zip lock on it. There we go. That's to clean the surface, get it prepped and ready. Let's just dump all the contents out here. So we've got the double-sided tape there. And then this is pretty solid so far. It feels nice. So these are supposed to be like the keys that help open it, I believe. All right, she's finished. I've got the new accessories added. All right, there's the new light bar. And then we've got the blinkers, the turn signal here, which goes to this one right here. I've added the other one as well as a backup in case one of them ever runs out of battery. Hopefully the other one will be able to take its place. I've also added the reflective tape that came with it. Why not? So there's some more right there. And then on Neutron, here's the other blinker turn signal control. And then here we go. Man, it is really windy out. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. We'll turn this one on too. I'll go through the modes here for this one first. Boom, boom. Sorry if I'm blinding you with the light. So we'll just go ahead and leave that on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the button here, right turn. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the button again, the right turn button to clear it. We'll do left turn. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the light. We'll do a right turn again. We'll clear it, left turn, clear it. And then I can change the lighting mode here. Yep, off. And then the mirrors, there I am. There's the other one. I have them specifically positioned just for my use. I want to be able to see around my arms pretty good, to be able to see visuals behind me. I think mirrors are very important. All right, here's the tail lights at night. We'll go ahead and turn on the blinker again. Left turn. It's very visible. All right, headlight, boom. So that's what it looks like. Boom, that's a little bit lower. and then maybe the high beams, not sure yet. Strober, and then off. So we'll do a different angle here. This is gonna blind you. Woo, yeah, sorry about that. Here's Neutron, the other mini bike. We'll go ahead and I'm gonna try to keep this in frame here. Turn that on, and then we'll do a right turn, left turn, right, left, right. All right, so I've been having performance problems with this engine ever since I bought the Stage 1 kit. That was probably the worst kit I've ever bought. It was so cheap. The filter ended up snapping in half, first of all. Second of all, the emulsion tube was not properly sized for the Honda GX390. It was too narrow. The original one that came with the engine was larger. The hole that runs up to, I don't know the technical names, but it was just undersized, the one that came with the kit. So I ended up putting the original OEM one in. And then second of all, I ended up changing the jet from something that I put in that was way too high down to a 7.4. And that seems to be working good with the OEM one. Now the 7.4 came with the Stage 1 kit, and the performance has been a huge improvement. That's how you do it. It's spitting snow. It is below freezing, and I'm doing this like a total jackwagon. I don't know what I'm thinking. I shouldn't be doing this. I think I'm pretty wet. I can feel it. So it's time to head back to the barn.